So our adventure continues here at Idle, here at Monte Cassino. It is a beautiful Sunday, and I'm here with Garth, who's got a 350Z. Now, there are a couple of them around here, but this one is special. Why?
It's no longer a V6 350Z. It's now a 5.7-litre Corvette V8 motor.
How do you squeeze an engine that size in here?
We literally massaged it in with Vaseline.
Do you ride on the roads?
Yes, we do track days with it as well. Okay. Also a bit of drifting just on the side for fun. Nice. And most of all, robot to robot.
There we go. So if you catch this beast on the road, just know Garth is behind the wheel.
Super. Cheers.